Hi, hello there. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Mrs. Freeman. I am a 6th grade teacher. I'm in my 8th year teaching. And this video, I decided to bring you something that I think you could probably use right around this time of the school year. So let's get into it. So at the time of recording this, I'm about 1 month into the school year. We're getting into routines, and now students want more things to do if they finish the assignment early. So inside my Google Classroom, I created a little section called Finished Early, and here we'll see several things they can do. Let's check them out. Starting with Chrome Music Lab. This one is a fun one. Let's hear what it can do. So with this app, the students are free to grab their headphones and make some beautiful music. All right, the next one is really cool. I had to block her name out. I did get it fixed. This one is sort of like, kind of like Tetris in a way. You just drag the blocks to the open space, as you see me doing here, and rack up points. Students really enjoy this one, and so do I, as you can see. So give it a try. The next one is a Snowflake Maker. With this one, they give you a pre-made shape, if you will, and you can change that as well. You can change the color, and then you just start making dots, making points with geometry, and as the points connect, you'll start seeing different shapes come to life. So have a little fun with it, play around with it, and see what else you can do with it. The next one, Google Trends. Kids actually like this one. You go in and maybe it's something that you saw on TikTok that you and your friends are currently talking about, and see who else is talking about it and where in America they're talking about it. I think this one is really neat. They spend a little bit of time on here. They find what they want, and then they tend to move on to another website. But this one is really cool just to have when you're wondering, am I the only one who? So enjoy. Up next is Google Earth. I recorded this on my cell phone, and so I don't have the app installed on my cell phone. They do have it on their Chromebook though. If you're not familiar with Google Earth, check it out. This one is Ticketmaster. Kids have parties and things like that, and they actually like tickets. Sometimes I'll print them out, and all of it's all free to use. All the sites that are listed here today are 100% free to use. Some of them you will have to get approved from your administrator if certain sites are blocked out. But like I said, we're one-to-one Chromebook, and so the kids have access to these sites if they finish their assignments early. So here's a ticket maker. Up next, Geometrize. This one is super fun. I could sit here and watch this for too long probably. It just starts throwing shapes in there, and then before you know it, some type of picture appears. This is so cool. So go give it a try. Like I said, all the links are below. Go give it a try. Don't spend too much time there though. I hope you had a chance to play that one. That one's really fun. Autodraw. I'm a terrible artist, but Autodraw allows me to create things that I would not be able to otherwise. So if you start creating an image up top, it'll give you something. Did you mean this? Why, yes, I did mean to draw a foot. And so from this one, you can create some really, really cool images, whether you're an artist or not. So that's Autodraw. Up next, we have, guys, just watch. So the AI is literally trying to figure out what you mean when you type something in. I think that one is so neat. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. This is what I do for my 6th grade students if they finish an assignment early. See you next time.